As with most motorhomes, the rubber seals and trims on a Hymer should be regularly checked and preemptively replaced to ensure they provide an adequate seal that reduces the chance of water ingress and expensive damp repairs. We have started to see that Hymer motorhomes manufactured around 10 years ago now require replacement rubber seals around the windows and doors. These motorhomes are becoming an age where repeated use over the last decade has caused the ceiling profiles to start showing signs of damage and overcompression. Most Hymers are fitted with a rubber seal similar to our CS5883. This is available from our website at sealsdirect.co.uk. This product is commonly used as a Hymer cab door seal, but is also fitted on some early Habitation doors. From our experience, it can be used as a replacement product on B-Class models, BM Starline, S-Class and Camp models up until approximately 2002. However, this seal will work as a suitable replacement on other doors that are using a similar shaped profile. The main difference between this profile and other door seals is the ivory coloured tail, which hangs vertical against the inside body. This tail is a finishing strip that covers the join between the edge of the door frame and the wall panel. Whilst it is not essential, we find that most Hymers have been manufactured with this finishing strip in mind, and using a different profile can show the join between the panels that engineers originally wanted to cover, as we can see here. This ivory tail is approximately 25mm to 30mm long when vertically extended down the interior wall of your van. This door sill also features a sponge sealing bulb, which compresses when the door is closed, like so. The door comes against it and it compresses the sponge profile to create a watertight seal. We recommend compressing this sponge bulb by approximately 30% to create a good seal when the door is closed. This will minimize the chance of compression set from overcompression. This profile fits onto a flange which is roughly 1.5 to 2.5mm thick. Fitting this product is a relatively straightforward process. As the main part of the seal is a clip-on edge trim, you should be able to remove your old door seal from the frame just by pulling it off the edge of the frame. You will then need to measure around your door frame to calculate how many meters you need. We find that we usually sell this product in 4 and 5 meter quantities, so I would imagine that your door will be somewhere between that measurement too, but it's worth checking just to make sure. Once you've ordered a new product from our website at sealsdirect.co.uk, we should be able to send it to you very quickly. We send everything on by Royal Mail and on next working day carriers, so you should receive it within 1 to 2 working days. You can then begin by fitting the new product over the edge of your door frame. So in the same way of how you removed it, it's a case of just pushing it over the frame edge and making sure that the ivory tail is hanging vertical down the interior of your van. Be careful on the corners and make sure you push it right in so it is fitted very snugly on the corners of the door frame. You can then close the door and test that it seals. As said previously, we recommend compressing the seal by about 30%. So roughly try and get that compression. If you haven't, you may want to adjust the hinges on your door, but you want to aim for compression around a third.